Whenever we travel, and we travel quite a bit, and we love taking content, and creating content with a good tripod is the key. But traveling with tripods sometimes can be cumbersome, heavy. You know what I mean if you've been taking pictures and video. This one here is by Vanguard. It's the VEO2 full-on carbon fiber. I cannot explain how light this thing is, so you won't even feel it on your backpack. If you even attach it out on the outer edge of your backpack, you're not going to feel a thing. The really cool thing about this is that it's a quick setup. These rings you can unscrew all at once, so I can literally go all at once, and they all one little spin, boom, and it's ready. It's not going anywhere. And then again, if I just want to bring it back to normal, done, locked, and back into the position. That's a great thing. Now, the other cool thing is that this is its normal, basically, height. Well, it's not when we're traveling, because this tripod also has a little button here, and let me show you. It's really, really cool. If I extend this, now press this little button, it will go just a little higher, and now I can bend it down, or tilt it all the way down, and it hides in between its legs, and all of a sudden, it just became, what would we say, 4 inches shorter, which is key, especially if you want to fit it in a camera bag, and it does fit in a camera bag, which is really cool. The other cool thing about it too is that each leg, which is with their very, very sturdy being carbon fiber and light, but each leg has also their button, so you can actually, this will be the extent of it. If I press that button, I can actually go all the way 90-degree perpendicular. So I can lock it, I could bring it like this one like that, this one like that, and then I can create some really cool low to the ground shots with the bulb head right on at the bottom. And then boom, all the way back to its initial position. We've used it quite a bit. As you can see, this thing has been carried and lugged around in so many different parts of the world. We love it. It's been great, and it is a super nice head to do video, not just photography, but also video. Really nice fluid head. So highly recommend by Vanguard this carbon fiber tripod.